To change the battery, first we will need to take out the key behind the remote. Notice there is that switch right there that needs to be lifted upwards. We lift that upwards and then take out the key. The point where we took out the key from, notice there is a position right there. I'll be using a screwdriver, something like this. Punch in the screwdriver right there and then try to squeeze it to take it out. While you're taking this out, just make sure that the button portion stays at the bottom and then you lift up the other cover. Right there is the battery. I'll use the same screwdriver and punch it on the top side to pull the battery outwards. There it is. This is the type of battery needed for this kind of remote. It is a CR2450. My battery is good, so I will be installing it back. Suppose in your case, if you have a new battery and you want to install it back, these are the steps to follow. Notice from the remote side, there are two tabs, one here and one there. You'll try to punch in the battery in those tabs first, just like that. Once completely in, then we will give it a slight push from the top. There is the battery installed. We make sure that the battery is sitting properly on the edges because the button portions sometimes do come out. I'll put the button portion back and make sure it's completely in. Seems good. Now I'll keep the button portion downwards and then grab the other portion and put it on top. We make sure all the edges are aligned properly. Once all the edges are aligned properly, then we will push both sides so that it's installed firm and strong. Once again, just making sure all the edges are installed properly, and it seems like it is perfectly fine. You'll go ahead and punch in the key. With that, we are done with the replacement of battery for this remote. If this video helps you in any way, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel.